Feel like a do-it-yourself project that will really improve the look of your home and make it easier to live in? Well, installing Tarkett fiber floor is a project you can do yourself, and we'll show you how. Tarkett fiber floor is beautiful, practical, tough, and life-resistant. Perfect for rooms with floors that get wet, such as bathrooms and laundry rooms. Because nothing stands up better to water and moisture. Plus, the Tarkett fiber floor protection system adds cushion and protects against scuffs, scratches, and indentations. That's why it's backed by one of the best warranties in the industry. Tarkett fiber floor is easy to install in just a few simple steps and with just a few tools. So let's get started. We'll show you the basics, but be sure to refer to the installation manual or go online for complete instructions. Here's what you'll need: a utility knife with a straight and hooked blade, a tape measure, an undercut saw, a carpenter square, and a straight edge. First, undercut the door molding so the flooring can slide easily underneath. Now, sweep or vacuum to remove any dirt and debris. Measure any areas where flooring will be installed. We're doing the utility room, hallway, and hallway closet. Now measure and trim the flooring, allowing extra material for trimming. Then place the flooring squarely within each area, parallel to the walls. Make relief cuts at all outside and inside corners, and around any other objects, such as pipes. Now trim the excess material around the walls and pipes until the flooring is laying flat, leaving about a 1/4 inch gap between the wall and the flooring. Quarter round molding will cover the gap. You may want to place a 1/4 inch width board between the wall and the flooring to ensure the correct amount of gap space. Now cut out the flooring around any vents. Trim the flooring in all room transition areas and around the door moldings. Follow the same steps for any closet areas. Next, match the patterns on the flooring where two pieces of flooring meet. In this case, between the hall and the closet. The flooring has match marks to help align the pieces. Make cutouts on the outside edge of the grout line to help with the alignment. Overlap the sheets of flooring, aligning the grout lines at the seam overlap. Once you have an exact pattern match, put masking tape around the seam overlap to prevent the flooring from shifting. And using a straight edge as a guide, cut through both sheets of flooring. Next, lift the top edge of the flooring and remove the bottom salvage piece. Use floating seam tape to adhere the flooring together over the substrate. Then roll for a tight bond. And seal the seam with recommended Tarkett seam sealer. Finally, install 1/4 round molding by nailing into the wall. And enjoy your beautiful new spaces thanks to Tarkett fiber floor. From installation through years of worry-free enjoyment, Tarkett fiber floor is the natural choice for homeowners who desire durability and beauty.